Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. As you have read from our title, today we are going to cook some honey ketchup chicken wings. You can substitute with any other sauce, could be barbecue, but today we are going to use some ketchup. Please keep an eye on the screen as it is going to display different ingredients that we are going to use for this recipe. After adding all the ingredients as required, no amount depending on the quantity of the meat or the wings that you have, massage them thoroughly and cook. The procedure is simply easy because you don't need an oven, but we only need a cooking pan. And yeah, let's cook.
Meanwhile,
so our wings are ready to cook. You don't need a lot of time because I simply did add a little bit water so that they can cook evenly. So potatoes are going to be my side dish. So meanwhile, let's prepare them as we wait for the chicken to dry up the water. As the water is not yet dried off, I'm turning the wings so that they can cook on the other side as we wait for the water to dry off. Yeah.
meanwhile,
Our last ingredients for dressing or garnishing our chicken in order to look nice and also to taste as it is required are going to be displayed on the screen. So please keep an eye, gather all the ingredients that we'll need in order to make this type of recipe. At this point, the water is slowly drying off, so we are going to turn off the wings on the other side so that we get this brownish type of look, so that we can really testify they are ready to be added the last ingredients. I did a couple of checkings just to make sure they don't burn off, but they are well. So this is our last check, and we are going to garnish the sauce that we prepared in order to get the final result. Slowly add the sauce that we prepared to garnish the the chicken wings, sorry for that. And once you have really poured and mixed it all around, please cover it up, give it some few minutes to simmer, and then let's see what will gather. Voila! Are you liking what you're seeing? Yes, I enjoyed having a delicious meal, just as your eyes are really really happy to see this on the screen. So please go try this at home. It's really tasty, and comment down below if you really like it, and yeah, what best we can improve or what new you want from me. Thank you. Bye.